Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to monetize your Snapchat account. For example, if you are using Snapchat and you post regularly on Snapchat, and if you want to monetize your Snapchat account, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings and you have to simply go to general and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Snapchat on your iPhone. And here you have to check it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat account, Snapchat app. And after updating, then you have to simply create your public account on the Snapchat. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to Snapchat. And here you have to simply go to settings and you have to look for the option. Here you can simply create public profile. So you have to simply turn your account into public account, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go back. And now what you have to do, you have to simply follow these criteria. Like if you want to earn from the Snapchat, you have at least 50,000 followers, and moreover you have 10 million snaps or views, and have 1 million spotlight views and 12,000 hours of view time. Moreover, you have consistency, like you have to post at least 25 times per month. So to save stories or spotlight or post, either you have to spotlight or public stories. Moreover, you must be 18 years old and you have to follow the community guidelines of the Snapchat. And after that, you can simply see that you will be able to monetize your Snapchat account. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.